Kumusta guys? Ito tayo at muli tayo nagbabalik para sa isa na naman reaction video kay Jerome Ebardome, ang Elvis Presley ng Pinas. Ayan, yung madalas nyong mapanood sa The Clone sa Itbulaga. Ito yung kanta niya guys na Jailhouse Rock. Ayan, yung pinasikat na Elvis noon. Kakantahin ng ating The Magnetic Icon. Ayan, pakinggan natin kung gaano kahusay dito si Jerome.
The clone of the king of rock and roll,
Elvis
Elvis
in the
Presley.
county jail. Prison bell said they began to wait. The bell was jumping and the drum began to swing. Juniper
All white si Jerome dito, no? Talaga Elvis Presley yung entrada pa lang eh.
knocked down jailbird singing let's rock. Everybody let's rock. Everybody knows Sailor was there.
Pag si Jerome yung kumakanta, talagang ganado yung audience eh, no? Sa Itbulaga.
To the jailhouse rock. Spinal mama played a tenor saxophone.
Para sa akin, parang siya yung pinakamaraming support.
Drum ball in there with brass boom bang. Whole real section was the bird boom day. Let's rock. Everybody let's rock. Everybody knows
Nagsasayawan doon sa unahan, no? Mga senior.
Sailor
Baka Elvis.
was dancing to the jailhouse rock. Shifted and said it bucks for heaven's sake. No one's looking out just to make a break. Bucks another shifter and they said nix nix. I wanna stick around a while I get my
Aral na aral ni Jerome yung no? Yung mga galawan ni Elvis, yung mga sayaw niya.
kick and let's rock. Everybody let's rock. Everybody knows
Ikaw si
Sailor
nagsasayaw.
was
Ayos.
dancing to the jailhouse rock. Dancing to the jailhouse rock. Dancing to the jailhouse rock. Dancing to the jailhouse
Galing nung pa ni Jerome, ano? Kung kuha niya yung mga pitikan ni Elvis.
rock. Dancing to the jailhouse rock. Everybody knows Sailor was dancing to
Pagkakaalam ko marami silang kumanta dito guys eh. Kinuha lang natin to tong parte ni Jerome. Ayan, sa susunod yung mga kasama niya dito i-react din natin.
the jailhouse rock.
Lupit. Lupit mo talaga Jerome. Isa na namang matinding performance ang ating napanood mula kay Jerome Ebardome, ang The Magnetic Icon. Yan. Bansag sa kanya ng mga kanyang ka-Jeromantics. And shoutout sa mga ka-Jeromantics natin dyan. And guys, kung meron pa kayong gusto nyong gawa natin ng reaction na kanta ni Jerome Ebardome, i-comment nyo lang sa ating comment section. And paano, hanggang dito na muna tayo guys. Kita-kits ulit tayo sa mga sunod pang reaction video.